So the question is, what is x power 4 by 5 in radical form? So we have to write the radical form of x power 4 by 5. So for this, I will write here solution x power 4 by 5 in the radical form. So first thing we should know that radical form is there may be the many types of roots. For example, this is square root. If we write here the index 3, it will become cube root. Square root is equivalent to power 1 by 2. Cube root is equivalent to power 1 by 3. Similarly, if there is index 4, then it will be equivalent to power 1 by 4. Similarly, if there is nth root, means here n is any number, so this root is equivalent to power 1 by n. So simple is that for to write this expression in the form of radical, we have to write 1 divided by something, because here x power 4 by 5, not 1 by 5. So we have to write it in the form of 1 divided by something. For this, I will write here x power 4 as it is, and we can write this as power 1 by 5, because we know that powers will be multiplied, and when these two powers will be multiplied, it will become x power 4 by 5. So it is equivalent to this. Now you can see that x power 4 as it is. So 1 by 5 means fifth root, means similarly like this, index 3 means third root, index 4 means fourth root, index 5 means fifth root. So we can write as in the we can write 1 by 5 as fifth root of x power 4. So a radical form of this x power 4 by 5 is 5 fifth root of x power 4. So this is the solution of this. We have the system of equation y equal to 3x minus 1 and y equal to x plus 4. We have to find the value of x. For this, we will write these two equations as y is equal to 3x minus 1, and second equation is y is equal to x plus 4. If we name these two equations, for example, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. For this, we have to solve these two equations and find the value of x. We can say that here y is equal to 3x minus 1, here y is equal to x plus 4. If we compare these two equations, for example, I am writing here comparing equation number 1 and equation number 2. When we compare these two equations, this is also, these left hand side of the both equations are same, y is equal to 3x minus 1 and y equal to x plus 4. So left hand sides are equal, it means their right hand side should be equal, because this y equal to y, it means 3x minus 1 should be equal to x plus 4. The other thing is that if we put y equal to 3x minus 1 in place of this y, so by this, if we compare these two, left hand sides are equal, so right hand sides are also equal, which means right hand side of this equation is 3x minus 1 and this is x plus 4. So 3x minus 1 is equal to x plus 4. So we combine the like terms to find the value of x. So 3x is same, like terms mean x terms should be uh, we should place x term with x term. So 3x, here x term is plus x, so if we put it to the left hand side, so it will become minus x, and similarly 4 is here and minus 1 is here, so if we bring minus 1 to the right side, it will become plus 1. So 3x minus x is 2x is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5, or x is equal to 5 as it is. This 2 is multiplied by x here, so if we bring it to the right side, it will become divided by 2. So x is equal to 5 by 2 is the answer of this question.